How to download ElevenLabs app on Android. Wanna clone your voice or make AI talk like a pro? Today I will show you how to use ElevenLabs. And guess what? No need to download an app because it doesn't exist yet. You heard it right. ElevenLabs isn't available on the Play Store or App Store. So don't waste your time searching for an app. I already did that for you. It's all online and it works perfectly from your browser. Just open your browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to www.elevenlabs.io. You will see this cool dashboard where the magic happens. Now sign up. It's free. Just hit sign up, add your email, password, and boom, you are in. To try it out, go to text to speech. Type something like I love AI voices, choose a voice, and click generate. How cool is that? It sounds like a real person. And again, no apps for 11 ads yet. If you see one, it's probably fake. Just use the website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.